Complicated problems. Complicated problems are those where we have a consensus on what the problem is, but the solution is ill defined or known. These types of problems require experts, and if we find them, we are closer to creating the solution for the problem. In product development or other work, we generally understand what we are tasked to do and we can figure out how to do it if we have the right expertise on the team. We can identify whether we are engaged in complicated problems or complicated aspects of our work because of the following reasons. Number one, there are aspects of this problem that are unknown or that we don't understand, but we know what they are and we will turn the unknowns into known through analysis. Number two, we have solved a similar problem before, so experts can figure out how to solve this one. Number three, we can predict the outcome of specific actions after we analyze the situation. We can create templates of most of the tasks to execute to solve the problem. So, what we are saying in complicated problems is that it requires some form of analysis before we solve. It's not plug and play or native like simple problems. So, examples of complicated problems are, for instance, a software, fix a non-trivial bug or extend the future of the software. Second example will be medicine, diagnose a blockage and perform surgery to place a stent in an artery. Then in the home, buy a house or save for retirement. Now, you see, the issue with complicated problems is you know what the problem is, you kind of have an idea about the solution, but it's not easy to come by, or the solutions are not easy to implement.